I will demo how to have the dependencies for Camel K that are specified in the modeline part. So here we can see that I have the dependencies declared for comments math, and here we can see that the import is not resolved. So the class is missing on the class path. So what I can do is, now that there is a command, to refresh the local class path for Camel K standalone file based on the current editor. So if I trigger that, it will wipe out the current dependencies and recreate a new class path with the correct dependencies, reusing the Camel K CLI capabilities incoming with Camel K 1.4.0. So here we can see that the import is saying to not be used, but it is resolved. And I can use, of course, in the completion, I have it available now.